Hello lovely people, welcome back to another interesting sewing tutorial which we are going to learn how to cut and sew 360-degree flare. If today is the first time of you seeing me, you are welcome to my channel Unyistitches, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. In this channel we upload sewing tutorial, pattern drafting, sewing tricks, sewing techniques and sewing tips. So if this is something you are interested on, keep on watching. What you need is just your material and your waist circumference and the length of the peplum that you want to make. The first thing is for you to fold your material into 4. Can you see I folded it into 2 first, then fold it back this way for it to be 4. Can you see this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. After folding your fabric, the next thing is for you to do the calculation for the radius of the peplum. Let's use this paper for our calculation. The waist circumference, that is the round waist I'm working on, is 32 inches. So now to calculate the radius of a full circle flare, the formula is radius, which is the arc, the circumference, all over 2 pi. So now the radius will be circumference, which is the round waist measurement, that is 32, divided by pi is 3.14. So now to find the radius, it will be 32 divided by 6.28. So the answer will be 5.02. So now the arc here will be 5.2. And the length of the peplum that I'm looking for, I need about 11 inches. So when I add 11, this 5 plus 11, that will give me 16. And for the joining of my peplum to my waistband, I need about ½ inch. So that will be 16 plus half, 0.5. That will give me 16.5. And then my hemming, I need hemming of 2 inches. That will give me 18.5. So I want to cut 18.5 here. The length starting from the tip of my fabric will be 18.5. Then the radius will be 5.2. So let's start with the radius. I hope you understand everything that I've said. So that is my radius. The next thing I will do now will be for me to mark the full length. So I will mark my 18.5 now. Then I will cut the radius. So this is my 360 degrees flare. I will use this to cut my lining. So I've opened up one side of my peplum. Can you see? I've opened up one side and I've already interfaced my fabric. And I've ironed my lining as well. So what I will do next will be for me to place my peplum right side facing up. Then I will place my lining right side facing the right side of my fabric. Then I will go ahead and join the down part using 0.5 inch. The down part all the way to the other end of my peplum. After joining that, I will bring it for you to see and tell you what next to do. So I've attached my lining, can you see, to my main fabric. The next thing I will do now will be for me to top stitch on my lining so that it will relax well. I'm going to do that by opening it up this way. I will fold this seam allowance towards my lining. Then I will open it up this way. I'm going to top stitch on the lining very close to the seam line. So I've opened it up. I've top stitch on my lining. Can you see? Can you see? So after top stitching, I will go ahead and notch the down part all around. After notching it, I'm going to join this side, the side seam. Use 0.5 and join this main fabric to my lining. Then I'll do same to the other side. So iron my peplum. Can you see? This is the inside. Can you see how neat it looks like? And this is the outside. So what next I will do will be for me to cut out the band. So already I have cut out a long band. The length of the band depends on what you want. If you want the band to, after tying it, to come down as a bow, it's your preference. My band measures 80 inches by length and 3.75 by width. So when I fold it into two, I'll end up having 1.25 because I'm going to use 0.5 inch to join, to attach it to the peplum. So I will first of all sew on the wrong side. So I've interface part of the band. The part that I have interfaced is the part that will be on my peplum, that will attach to my peplum. This other part that I've not interfaced is what she will tie. So before attaching it to the peplum, I will go to my sewing machine. I will turn the peplum to the right side this way. I will fold it to have the center. Then I'm going to use 0.5 inch and stitch all the way to where I have my interface. I will do same to this other part of the peplum. I'll turn it to the right side also and stitch it starting from where I have my interfacing all the way here. Then I will finish up this side and finish up this side as well. After that, I'll bring it for you to see. So I've sewn my band. Can you see? This is my band. This is the part that I left open for my peplum, to attach my peplum. Can you see I've folded in 0.25 for the joining to the peplum. So this is my peplum. What I will do now will be for me to carry it this way. Can you see the side that I've folded is facing down? Just starting from where I sewn this, I will carry my peplum. So following this line that I have ironed, I will go to my sewing machine. I will sew starting from here all the way to the end of my peplum. So I've attached it. Can you see? Attach it. The next thing I will do will be for me to go to my ironing board. I will open it up this way and iron it open. The next thing will be for me to turn it this way. Can you see? I'll press it up this way. Can you see? Then I'm going to top stitch very close. I'm going to top stitch very close like this all the way to the end part. So I've top stitched my band to the peplum. Can you see? This is the inside. Can you see how neat it looks like? So that is my 360 degrees peplum Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification bell, and once I upload new sharing tutorial, you'll be notified. See you on next video. Bye bye.